Hey all, welcome to my channel, and here we're up with a very new video on our channel on plants. So let's see how to paint your pots. Very crisp and very clear. So all you need for this is this acrylic paints which you're seeing on my hand. These are the acrylic paints which I'm using, and this is the smallest size of brush which we can use. And let me show you how I have painted my pots. Okay, so on a few pots you can actually write the quotes, and on a few pots you can actually paint. So I'll show you both. It's very easy. See, if you can see this pot, you can see what I have written. I guess you grow girl. So I have written you grow girl, and I have made a few strokes of flowers or something, and it is looking, trust me, very classy and very pretty also. I've done nothing. I just took this brush. Don't add water to this paint. The main thing, if you add water to your paint, it is very hard to dry and it doesn't look good also. Directly take some paint and just use it. Okay, so this is you grow girl. This is how I'll show you more. So one more I have done. So this is the money plant which I have first propagated as in water. So this is called as Worli art. Okay, so you can find it on internet also. So I feel this is the most beautiful art. You can put it on your pots. Worli art. Okay, so this is what I have done. The similar kind of girls dancing all around the pot, and it is looking very pretty. You can see this, right? So for this, what you have to do is take a chalk piece which we use to write on the boards. First you draw this pieces. First you have to draw this on your pot, and then you paint it. And this painting is not at all difficult. Find a piece on Google, and then you can just paint it. And then I have written these. This comes the next. This is I'll root for you. So the plant is telling me that it will root for me. Next one, see, this is one more kind of Worli art which I have done. See, this one. This is, I just found it out from Google. I just drew it with the help of a piece of chalk on the flower vase first, and then I just painted it, nothing more. And this is very easy to paint. See, hope you loved it. And here, these are my succulents. Love grows here. See, quotes, actually what I found out is quotes actually looks more beautiful and more classy. You can do this at your home, try it at your home. Your kids will be having this. These are the basic things which you need, and it will not take much time. Try Worli art for sure, because it is looking very beautiful, and it will not take much time also. So do try it. You can post me pics and comment below the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and let's come up with the next video for the next time. Thank you. Bye bye.